Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly Chatflow. In this video, we will learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your alternative energy supplier businesses. For example, you have an alternative energy supplier business and you want to share the details regarding the solar installation or the maintenance services you are providing to your customer. Sending each and every customer manually is a time-consuming task. To solve this type of problems, we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot. It will create it with the help of Pabbly Chatflow so that whenever your users send a message to your WhatsApp business account, then your bot will respond to them automatically. To get more details about this, let me take you to my screen.
Welcome to my screen. Before starting the video of how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for alternative energy supplier, let me give you a quick review about how our chatbot will work. By sending hi message in my WhatsApp business account of alternative energy supplier, here I send it hi message. See, the bot will respond to me automatically. Welcome to Voltus Alternative Energy Supplier, powering a greener tomorrow. Thank you for choosing us as your alternative energy provider. We are excited to support you with clean, reliable and affordable energy. Here it will also ask me one question. Please tell how can I help you? By providing me three different options. The one is types of energy, the second is install solar panel, and the third is maintenance services. If I'll click on install solar panel, then they will provide me the details regarding the solar panel installation that they were offering to me. After that, when I'll click on types of energy, then it will give me the detailed explanation of types of energy that Voltus Alternative Energy Supplier provided. So basically, this is how our chatbot will work. At the end of this video, you can create this type of automatic chatbot so easily. It will create it without requiring any coding skills. Now let's get started. First, you have to click on a new tab button and search pabbly.com/chatflow. After that, you are landed on the official page of Pabbly Chatflow. Pabbly Chatflow is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool which helps us to automate our WhatsApp messages and responses 24/7 by creating multiple WhatsApp chatbots for our different type of businesses. Here on the right hand side, you can see two buttons are there. The one is sign in and the another is sign up option. If you are a new user, then you can click on sign up option and create your free Pabbly Chatflow account. If you are an existing user, then you can click on sign in option. As I am an existing user, so I'll click on sign in option. After clicking this, here you can see these are the all apps that Pabbly provides to their users. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot, so we will go on the Pabbly Chatflow column by clicking Access Now button. Here you are landed on the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow where you can see your credits allotted, your credits consumed, your credits remaining and the WhatsApp number added. With the help of this button, Add WhatsApp Number, you can add multiple types of WhatsApp number to your Pabbly Chatflow account. Here you can see two options are there. The one is WhatsApp Connect. This might involve scanning a QR code or entering the phone number and verification code. Second is Manual Token Connect. If you can click on Manual Token Connect, then it will ask you for Meta Access Token, which you can generate from Facebook Meta for developers. If you want to know how to add your WhatsApp number into your Pabbly Chatflow account, then we will create a separate video for it. I'll provide the link of the video in the description box. After that, you can also create multiple folders here and see the details about the status and all the information of your WhatsApp number. The second feature is Inbox, where you can store all the conversation with your customer as well as you can respond to them here also. The third one is the Contacts, where you can add and manage contacts, import in bulk and create lists to segment your audience effortlessly. The fourth one is the Team Queue, where you can organize chats assigned to team members and keep unassigned conversations separate for easy management. The fifth one is the Template, where you can organize templates for easy access and scale communication with predefined messages, ensuring efficient engagement with initiating conversation. Basically, the templates are used for those type of conversation which were started by your side. Sixth one is the Broadcast. Basically, it is used for sending a bulk messages to your customer. It is easily send WhatsApp message to a predefined list of contacts through Broadcast. It is perfect for announcement, promotions or timeline updates. The seventh one is the Flow, where you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow Builder. The ninth one is the AI Assistant, where you can train your AI assistant with a knowledge base to answer questions, solve problems, and engage prospects effortlessly. Here we can also provide a video that how to use AI assistant. The 10th one is the settings, where you can see different type of features are there. The one is OPT in management, the second is inbox setting, the third is contact custom field, the fourth is tags, quick replies, team member, chat assignment rules, API, webhooks, etc. The last one is the help, where you can tell us about your problem and we will find you a solution. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot, so I'll click on the button flow. Here you can see this is the page where we can create multiple type of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Flow Builder. Here you can create and manage static chatbot seamlessly using a no-code, user-friendly drag and drop builder. You can also see here total number of flows, your active flows and your inactive flows. On the right hand side you can see one button is there, add flow button. After clicking this button, see here we can start off create our WhatsApp chatbot. At first you have to give the name to your bot that what you are creating. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot for alternative energy supplier, so I am providing the name. Here I provided the name. Before starting this, let me give you a quick review about these two options. The one is messages and the another is action. Under these messages and actions, you can see different type of buttons are there. We can use these buttons in the creation of our chat flow. Here on the right hand side you can see two options are there. The one is active inactive button and the second one is the save button. With the help of this button you can save your progress. After each and every step you have to click on this button so that your flow will be updated. Now we get started. Here you can see this is the starting point of our flow. Basically you can start your flow with any of these three steps. The first is keyword, the second is the regex and the third is the template. Keywords are the manually entered words that were written by your side. The second one is the regex. Regex can identify specific type of users messages and it can extract useful data from inputs such as email, phone number, order number, etc. The third one is the template, in which you can create any type of template and choose with the help of this button and upload it from here. Basically, templates are used for those type of conversation which were started by your side. I am creating this flow with the help of regex. So here I am writing the regex. With the help of this regex, when users send any of the messages to your WhatsApp business account, then your bot will respond to them. Now I am writing a welcome message for my customer. On the left hand side you can see one button is here, text button. Here it will provide me one message box where I can write the welcome message for my customer. Here I write it and I also ask one questions to my customer. Please tell us how can I help you. So I am adding one button with the help of this add plus button. By clicking this, it will provide me one enter text box where I can write my first button. The first button I'll take as types of energy. The second button I'll take as install solar panel. And the third button I'll take as maintenance. See, here I provided three different options for my customer. Now I am connecting this flow start point circle to the message I write it here. Here my flow is connected to my message. In the next step, when my customer wants to know about the types of energy that I am providing to them, then they will click on this button. After this, my bot will respond to them. Here I am adding one another text button. By clicking this, it will provide me one another message box. I'll drag this here and write the details about types of energy I am providing to my customers. Here I write it. After that, I'll connect the circle which are present of type of energy to the circle where I wrote it about the different types of energies providing to my customer. The second one is the install solar panel. If my customer click on this option, then my bot will respond to them. Here I am adding one another text button. Drag this box here and write the details about installation of solar panels. Here I write it. After that, I'll connect the circle which are present in front of install solar panel to the message where I wrote about the installation of solar panels. I'll drag this here. Now in the next step, when my customer click on the button maintenance services, as they want to know about the maintenance services that my Voltus alternative energy supplier provide to them, then they will click on this button and my bot will respond to them. Here I am adding one another text button. Drag this box here and writing the maintenance services. Here I write. After that, I'll connect the circle which are present of maintenance services to the circle where I wrote about the details regarding the maintenance services services I am providing to the customer. Now our flow is completed. After that, I'll click on this button, save button, so that my flow will be updated successfully. Now I'll show you how it will work and how it will respond to the customer instantly by sending hi message in my WhatsApp business account of alternative energy supplier. Here I send it the message. See, the bot will respond me automatically. Welcome to Voltus Alternative Energy Supplier, powering a greener tomorrow. Thank you for choosing us as your alternative energy provider. We are excited to support you with clean, reliable and affordable energy. See, it will also provide me 3 different options which we were written here. The one is types of energy, install solar panels and maintenance services. Here, see, types of energy, install solar panels and maintenance services. If I'll click on types of energy, then they will provide me the details of types of energy that my alternative energy supplier provided to the customer. If I'll click on install solar panel option, then they will show me the details regarding the installation of solar panel. So basically this is how easy the WhatsApp chatbot will create it for your alternative energy supplier businesses.
So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, then you can text us at forum.pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about the Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow. So go and create your Pabbly Chatflow account and start creating your first WhatsApp chatbot for free.